Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup syndication paperwork with Fundrise, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup syndication paperwork with Fundrise, start by logging into your Fundrise account. Navigate to the dashboard to view your investments. Locate the specific project or investment for which you want to backup paperwork. Click on the project to access detailed information. Look for a section labeled Documents or Legal Documents. Click on this section to view available paperwork related to the investment. Identify the specific documents you need to back up, such as the operating agreement or subscription agreement. Download each document by clicking the download icon or link associated with it. Save these files to a secure location on your computer or an external hard drive. Consider organizing the files into folders for easy access in the future. If necessary, print hard copies of the documents for your records. Ensure that the digital files are backed up to a cloud storage service for additional security. Review the contents of the documents to ensure everything is complete and accurate. Take note of important deadlines or requirements related to the documents. Repeat this process for any other investments you wish to back up paperwork for. Regularly check your Fundrise account for any updates or new documents related to your investments. This process ensures that you maintain a secure and accessible record of your syndication paperwork with Fundrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.